You know, I always tell you that when I create color investigations or when I'm testing color, I use swatches. And the best swatches in the world are the virgin swatches that come in all shades from a company called International Hair Importers. And the thing that has gone on is they are extraordinarily expensive. Hair that used to cost, and this is the hair that all labs use, things that used to cost several $100s are now about $1,000. But guess what happened? Amazon has introduced swatches that are bleached, and you can buy them on Amazon. They come like this. Aren't these wonderful? This is virgin hair that has been pre-bleached to pale yellow. So when I take one of these off the ring and I place it on foil, I'm able to apply a demi-liquid or demi-cream color formula or toner formula to the pre-bleached hair, because we don't apply permanent dye to pre-bleached hair. We apply demis. And I close the foil and literally set a timer on top of the foil for 20 minutes. We then take the little strand to the sink, rinse, lightly shampoo, condition, blow, and then iron this dry, and we can put it on a cardboard or on the wall with the name of the shade we used. Or you can put it back on the ring and you can make a ring showing yourself all the different colors and what they will create when they're applied to bleached hair. You can also take a swatch and say, I'm going to mix an ounce of this with an ounce of this and create custom formulas for your use. These are wonderful for salon owners or color directors or color educators to use in class. And at my classes, everybody's going to get a swatch and you'll be able to do one, and we're going to make a living color chart. So these are not even expensive. I think they're about $25 on Amazon. And they also come like this, which are wonderful. They go from very light brownette to very pale blonde. So you can judge depth of color, and you can apply different products to these to see what will happen. I will urge you to, I mix like 2 caps of the color with the developer as directed by the manufacturer. I make sure I saturate the swatch on both sides. Sometimes after 5 minutes I'll open the foil and rebrush it and smush it in so that, or flip it over so that I'm sure to cover every hair. These are almost as good as the ones that I purchased from International Hair Importers. The only thing is these are for use on demi-creams and demi-liquids. Permanent color will not do as well, as this is not virgin brown hair. But a wonderful helper. Those of you who are involved with beauty schools or training color at all will use them. And you know what? The person who's going to teach every colorist out there to color hair is you, yourself. Be responsible. When you're buying other stuff on Amazon, order these. They come in a plastic bag, and I think they're really going to help. So if you come to class, you're going to do one of these with me, but in the meantime, do some yourself. And on my Beth Minardi All Access, maybe you'll show what you've created. Have a great day.